morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So ever since I made the move out here to Hawaii, I've been getting a ton of questions as far as what my health routine is looking like. And by health routine, I think people are referring to what my diet and exercise routines have been. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you would know that I'm very into healthy eating and definitely staying active. I'm definitely by no means any kind of like gym rat. I don't know a ton of stuff about exercise, but what I do know, I definitely want to share with you. And I'm also incorporating a like how I toned up in 30 days style to this video because all of this is really recent stuff. I haven't been, you know, doing these exercises for years. This is something I've been doing for the past couple of months, but if you start everything I'm showing you today, I promise you that within 30 days you will see results. But yeah, ever since moving here, I have adopted just some skills that I really want to share with you guys, and definitely give me your feedback, especially if you try any of these out. But anyways, I just woke up and the first thing I do every single morning, this is not food or exercise related, but I just do one thing that is productive, because getting those like productive endorphins released first thing in the morning is really going to kind of like encourage you to keep doing things that'll release endorphins, like eating healthy and exercising. So one of my like go-to things to do first thing in the morning is either A, laundry, or B, just like cleaning up my kitchen, putting dishes away and that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that right now. Something I actually do first thing when I get up. It's just drink a ton of water. I'll typically drink 2 glasses about this big of water first thing in the morning. It gets me feeling not only really full, but you need water first thing just to cleanse out all of those toxins in your body. And then as far as coffee goes, I am definitely a coffee drinker. That is something I will probably never give up, but I would just definitely encourage you, if you're drinking like a ton of coffee throughout the day, try and limit yourself to 1 to 2 cups. I know it's definitely hard. So breakfast has slowly became my favorite meal of the day. I just think because I like waking up and giving my body nutritious food just to fuel it throughout the first couple of hours of the day. And I know not everybody is a breakfast person, but I promise you with baby steps you can definitely become a breakfast person. Some of my go-to things to make for breakfast are fruit trays. I love oatmeal. Green smoothies are amazing. If you guys ever have questions about like what kind of foods you should like eat or meal ideas, feel free to message me on Instagram. I love talking to you guys about that kind of stuff on there, and I'm always here to help. All right, so I'm about to go get my workout in. This is something I always take care of before like going out and doing any kind of errands and that kind of stuff, just because if I put it off, I will not want to do it later, and that's just like a fact. So I'm not the type of person that can work out in the evening after a long day. I just have to do it first thing, and I think that's something really important when it comes to like finding your medium, is figuring out what you want. Like just because, you know, the best workout person on Instagram works out in the morning doesn't mean that that's what you should be doing. It's whatever kind of makes you feel best and what works for your schedule. But I want to go ahead and show you guys my #1 secret to working out. So I was recently, probably about a month ago, introduced to the 30-day fitness app, and that is the only thing I use as far as working out goes. Obviously I like to research and stuff online and hear about what other people are doing, but when it comes to working out, I solely use this app. So after you download it, you're basically just given a huge library of over 400 workouts and then about 100 exercises. So they're 2 different things. A workout is gonna have like a ton of different exercises in it, and then the exercises are just the individual exercises. You guys get what I'm saying. So what I like to do is some days I will just pick one of their workouts and it's basically all right there for me. You just have to follow along. You can plug in like your Apple Pods or just put this off to the side and follow along to it. Or some days if I'm craving just something different or I don't have as much time, I will just scroll through all of the exercises they have and do about like 5 or 6 of them. And one of the things that drew me in so close to this app was not only do they specify if the workout is like advanced or intermediate or for beginners, but they basically like can classify them by whatever area you're trying to target. So when I came here, I knew I wanted to target like my legs, and then I'm also trying to target my core. So I want to see those abs come in. So what you can basically do is scroll through and see like all the different workouts, and it'll tell you if they're for abs or for legs or for butt, whatever you're looking for. So as I mentioned, not only does this app give you some amazing just regular exercises you can do, but it also has challenges that you can do. So I'm actually doing the bikini body challenge, and it targets your belly, and I'm actually on day 28, so I'm almost finished, but this has worked me. I look forward to doing this one every time just because of how much I feel the burn and how good I feel after. But it's so cute because it gives you a little warm up and then your main workout, and then you have a cool down session as well. And this one usually lasts about 10 to 15 minutes for me, but all the workouts range in variety and how long they take and what areas they target. And then on days that I kind of just want to do my own little thing, these are the exact workouts I do. So these 3 that I just showed you, the squats and the leg kicks, those are not on the app. I kind of had those from before, but the rest of the workouts I do, as you guys can see, they come straight from the app. I love it because I can just follow along and make sure I'm doing it right. And they give you step-by-step instructions as well as telling you the level of difficulty and what area the workout is targeting. Alright, so real quick, I just want to talk about consumption and wise consumption, specifically with your meal choices and snack choices throughout the day. During the day, I usually have a breakfast and then a dinner. I usually skip lunch because I'm at work during lunchtime, and instead of lunch, I'll just have healthy snacks. So I'm talking like cucumber, carrots, almonds, tons of fruit, all that kind of stuff. I just always keep it in my house so that I don't feel the need to reach to something more processed, like, I don't know, you know, like all the food that comes in vending machines, that kind of stuff. Alright, you guys, that is basically it for my health routine slash how I toned up in 30 days video. I really hope you guys are able to take something away from this. And once again, this is just what has worked for me. And because it's worked for me, I just really feel inclined to share it with you. So I hope it does help 1 or 2 of you out. Also, if you're not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I've been posting so much on there just from my trip to Hawaii, and I love talking to you guys on there. So definitely join the fam on there as well. And a huge thank you to the 30 Day Fitness app for sponsoring this video. Once again, this app is everything I use to work out. This app has seriously transformed the way I view working out, the way I do work out. So I will have it linked below. I would definitely suggest it. And if you try it out, let me know how you like it. But yeah, guys, that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.